This is Winkhurst kitchen, the heartbeat of the 16th century farmstead.
The building itself is from the early 16th century, originally from a place over in Kent called Winkhurst, hence why it's Winkhurst Farm. Its main purpose is less of a kitchen, we call it a kitchen today, but it's less of a kitchen and more as a factory to supply a large farmstead of about 100 acres or so. That is Bayleaf, which we have it attached to today. When I say a factory, today we think of a kitchen being somewhere where we buy food and we cook it. A kitchen at this time was much more about providing food for the whole family. You were talking baking, you're talking brewing, you are talking preserving, you're talking day-to-day cooking, you are talking making medicine remedies for the family. And here you are slaughtering, you are preparing verjuice, you are preparing pickles, you are getting your family ready for winter, especially at this time of year.
As the kitchen was the beating heart of the 16th century farmstead, it was often in an outbuilding just a few feet away from the main house. This was to maintain productivity, cleanliness, hygiene, and to make sure that the house itself was as impressive as possible for any visitors you might end up having. And here at Weald and Downland Living Museum, we endeavour to use this kitchen in very much the same way. We'll cook in here using traditional techniques, foods and recipes. We'll prepare traditional feasts and celebrations for saints' days, holy days and other days throughout the ritual year. You can come and experience it for yourself and step into history.